both these algorithms, it turns out, have been used in the sequential games setting, the stochastic games.
Yeah. Well, solution concepts are usually useful in all those things.
Yeah.
Oh, you should mention one other thing, which is we actually pointed out that something that we talked about last time was in fact a solution concept.
What, Nash?
Nash and?
Oh, subgame perfect.
Right. By the way, worth pointing out that the King Solomon alternative that I described before is subgame perfect.
Oh. All right. Well, so let's flip over to that, which is mechanism design. We talked about
two things in particular. We talked about peer teaching.
Right.
And we talked about King Solomon.
Dividing up babies.
Baby division. Never, ever divide by zero. Now, what's interesting about mechanism design, sort of the flip side or complement of what we normally think about in playing games, is that one could look at a lot of these solution concepts as, in fact, being mechanism design. Right? You create COCO values as a way of encouraging certain kinds of behavior by setting up binding side payments. You think of correlated equilibria as working because you've created a mechanism, this shared source of randomization, that will encourage behavior that it wouldn't otherwise encourage. Therefore, all these solution concepts can be thought of, sort of, at least all the ones beyond the kind of obvious one of Nash equilibrium anyway, I'd have to think about that, can be thought of as a kind of mechanism design. These extensions, these things that we introduce are to induce certain kinds of behavior. And so even if we didn't want to think too hard about mechanism design or wanted to believe it wasn't really a part of reinforcement learning, it really is, because all of these things that we come up with as these sort of extension solution concepts are really about getting better outcomes.
And they're all about driving behavior using rewards.
Right, which is so much better than driving Miss Daisy. So I think that's everything that we've learned. Okay, so what's next?
I think we're done, actually, with the material. We have kind of a wrap-up that we need to do, like an outro. And so, so we're getting down to the near terminal state.
Nice. Well, I think that's good. Well, this has been fun. I mean, I guess I will get to see you again after this, because we do have a few things that we need to do. But I think we've covered all the material.
Wow.
Well done. Well done.
All right. Well, good job, everybody.
Yeah, good job. I guess I will see you later, Michael. Bye.
Bye.